This lab is a preparation for the future labs. Lab 3, coordinate plane and analytical tools. Okay, in this lab, we will get familiarized with several computer tools to study math and physics, and in particular interactive coordinates. You just start from here, and then you will have coordinates. Basically, just familiarize the coordinate system we'll be talking about in class. This is really easy. What do? You put this point, you add a point, put this point onto this data over here onto the plane by hitting add a point, and then see what pattern you get. That's pretty simple. Another one, so it's actually the main part is we will be using some equipment which require a computer software to connect to some equipment to take data. Those equipment have data sensors like pressure, temperature, or some of the even DNA sequencing and things. And the data will come into the computer, and the computer side will be taken care by a software, and that software is called Capstone. So the second part is to install Capstone software, and you just start downloading here. I will let you install this software into the computer. I will show you what it looks like. When you finish install, and you will have an icon like this, Capstone's Pascal Capstone. If you double click it, and you will have this. And for the first time, it will, of course, I already have it running. You will not see this label, but then it will show you either you want to buy or have a key. Actually, our school actually purchased this, and this is the opportunity for you to use it. And then I have the key provided in the file. So you can just enter the key, then this becomes enter the key, and so that this become yours permanently on your computer. When you install, it looks like this, but it will display you in whether you want to buy, and then you just paste in this key very carefully, don't miss anything, and then that's on your computer permanently. So hopefully it will not have any problems, but who knows, depending on your capability, your network. Okay, if you successfully install in a computer, you are done with this part, but take a screenshot, insert into here, and put it down. If you don't know how to make a screenshot yet with the computer, let me know. Okay, and actually that itself is an interesting skill for you to have, to take a screenshot and put into a file. You can see there's a lot of use, and also say done, you have the software. Okay, otherwise, if you have trouble, and you should let your instructor know, and to have what problem you're facing, and we are trying to while you're trying to install it. I will help you solve it. But in any case, don't panic, but get to it. Make sure it's on the computer. We'll be using this one in next lab, for this lab. And then once you install, the third part is started. So you see you have so many features. We will use this video analyzing tool extensively, and also we use data recognition later on. But the first, you use this part, equation graphing. It's like a graphing calculator. You know, many of you know the TI-83 and some calculator that can graph. This include that function. Now, just to make sure you had it installed correctly, and then you can just double click that, and then this is what you will see. I ask you to plot these equations. This quadratic equation, we will be studying this for a while, and for the projectile and so on. And just enter the equation, this, and this let you, okay, they can, and of course, you're free to explore what other function you may have. It help you with trigonometry and other things. Yeah. Once you get plot this, and okay, obviously when you start this, it will not look like this, but you have to make sure your data is right. Just play with it and plot. Once again, if you have a trouble, let me know. Okay, and it could be done, everything could be done just in our lab. The network is not so efficient, especially everybody is downloading. It takes a long time. So, but that good thing is that you can, if you take it home, it only take a couple of minutes to install. And if you get this part done, and you can go home, and it's due next week. So, thank you. If you have any question, let me know.